Sandwiches, 2 or more slices of bread or a split roll having a filling in between, or 1 slice of bread covered with food. Good quality breads provide variety, texture, taste, bulk, nutrients and eye appeal to sandwiches. Fresh bread is easier to slice or cut if it has been chilled. Maybe roast beef, pork and cured meat products like ham, sausage and salami. These are chicken or turkey breasts characterized by a delicate golden brown surfaces. Some popular seafood ingredients are tuna, sardines, grilled and fried fish fillets, crab meat and shrimp, which are highly perishable and should be kept chilled to maintain quality. Refers to cheddar, processed cream cheese and cheese spreads with firm texture, easily sliced, and act as binder, moistener of other ingredients. It should be refrigerated and remain covered until ready to serve to avoid drying out. Like mayonnaise, mustard and butter, moisten the bread and complement the flavors of other ingredients. They should be served immediately and kept refrigerated to preserve its color and flavor. Like olive oil, relishes, chutneys give a lift to a sandwich. Some of them are high in acid, so don't combine them with strong flavored condiments. Should be crisped and proportioned to the size of sandwich. Lettuce, tomatoes and onions are indispensable in sandwich making. It adds texture, flavor and color to the sandwich. Fruit fresh or dried, jelly, jam, peanut butter, eggs and nuts adds flavor, color, nutrients and texture to sandwich production. Enumerate the different ingredients in making sandwiches. Why is it important to identify the different ingredients in making a sandwich? Ask the members of the family of what are their favorite ingredients of sandwich. Write it in your TLE notebook.